Hello guys, this is my OEM type stereo of Skoda Rapid. Now I am going to change it with the Android stereo that I have purchased. So we are going to change this stereo with this. So let's go. For this we have to remove this cover and 4 boards we have to remove. So I have installed Android Studio in my Rapid Rider, so it is how it's look. When I turn on the light here, it's also indicates. When I turn on the lights, it's indicated here. And another features in this is car settings. Car settings. Here it shows petrol quantity 10 liters, outside temperature, battery voltage, seat belt, and other informations. When I open gate, then it indicates in this that the gate is open. Other features, it have navigation, it has Bluetooth, phone calling options, music, other YouTube. So let's check out the output of speakers.